Hello nature lovers, look at this beautiful spot here. This is the water stream on springtime in Virginia in USA. This is beautiful and the spring is popping up everywhere. You can see these blue flowers popping up and you can hear the birds chirping, and this water stream is beautifully flowing along, and it's a cloudy day and it's a really beautiful sight. And you can see this water stream all the way through from here. It is meandering through, curving through, and this is a really cool here. Nature lovers, subscribe.